Dear students, welcome all of you in a new chapter of history, chapter 5, Administration, Society and Culture under the Delhi Sultanate. When at the Delhi Sultanate established their Sultanate, it had great impact basically in northern India. Muslims brought new traditions with them which greatly influenced the existing society, lifestyle, their philosophy, culture and civilization of Indian society. It is natural when in India also we are going from one state to another state, we are getting diversity among the peoples, diversity of their religion, diversity of their lifestyle, society and the people during the Sultanate period. The Turks and Afghans introduced new styles of the whole society was divided into four main classes during the Sultanate period, and they were aristocratic, ulemas and priests, officials, merchants and artisans and common people. Means during that period the whole society was divided into four groups or four categories of the peoples, and first category is the aristocratic, those who have the enough wealth and those who have the enough power, they were exercising their powers and wealth and living their life, luxurious life. And second ones are ulemas and the priests, and they advised to Sultan on how to carry the administrations. They also lived on the land granted by the Sultan and also got gifts. They also got gift from the common peoples. They also lived one kind of well organized life. Then third category is officials, those who were working under the Sultan, and merchant peoples or the peoples those who were doing the time business, and also the artisans, and they were economically well. And last one is the common people, and that time the common people or the last category formed a bulk of populations. They were neglected in everywhere, and they also did not have enough satisfy their needs. Means the common people or the last category was unable to fulfill their requirement. The period witnessed the caste system among the Hindu men, and that time not only Hindu women but caste system was prevailed there among the Hindu religion, and women were neglected and in this period and forced to remain in Parda system, and they practiced sati and child marriage was also prevailed that time, and the pratha of sati also prevailed that time, which is not recognized as the human activity. Then second one is the administration. The Turks state in India was militaristic and aristocratic. Sultan's office was the most important in the Sultanate. All the political, legal and military vested to him. He was solely responsible for the administration, security of the state and administration. Means at that time for the administration, Sultan was all in all. He has the capacity to take the decisions or to formulate the rules and regulations, and he was solely responsible for the administrations, or you can say well administrations, and also security of the state, security for the peoples. He was solely responsible for that one. Government was run under various departments. Means government was divided into various departments. Powers was divided into various departments, and the departments were Diwani Wazarat, and that belongs to the revenue department. Second one is the Diwani, or that belongs to the military department, and third one is Diwani Risalat, and that dealing with the religious department, or the third department deals with the religions, and fourth department is the Diwani Insa, and that deals with the domestic and foreign correspondence. Then Ekta system. What is the Ekta system? Ekta system means the system of granting revenue from a piece of land or village to an officer instead of paying him cash salary was called the Ekta system. Under this system, an officer, Iqtadar, that officer named Iqtadar, would collect the revenue from his territory. He would keep certain amount as the salary and another part he spent for the maintaining military. Means the Ekta system is the system in which the Iqtadar grant revenue from a piece of land that offered to the peoples, that offered to the common peoples, or the village that offers to the peoples, and from the collected revenue or from collected amount he keeps on as his salary, and rest part or the other part he spent for the maintaining of soldiers. Then third one is economy. Inland and overseas trades both flourished under the ruler Sultanate. Trades was encouraged by the rulers of India of that period. In this period, Iltutmish started a silver coin, Tanka. So both land trades and overseas trades both controlled by the ruler, and trade that time encouraged by the ruler also, and in India during the Sultanate period, Iltutmish is the ruler, or Iltutmish was the ruler who started a silver coin, and that named by the name of Tanka. And agriculture was also the main occupations of the peoples in India during this period. During the reign of Alauddin Khilji Muhammad bin Tughlaq, the land tax was raised to 50% of the produce from the land. Means during the period of Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad bin Tughlaq, land tax raised up to 50%, whatever produced by the farmer. That time cheap industries and some small industries also prevails that time, and the cheap industries were textiles, sugar, hardware and paper manufacture, and small industries were also developed during the period of Sultan. Then architecture. The Turks and Afghans introduced new styles and techniques of architecture that's known as Indo-Islamic style of architecture. Means when they comes, they brings their own styles, and here also one style was existing, and when they comes with their own styles, the styles of their own and Indian style mix up, or for the intermingling a new ways of architecture take part, and that known as the Islamic style of architecture. Some architectures were, or well-known architectures were, the Qutb complex, the Tughlaqabad fort, Firoz Shah Quetta, tomb of Sikandar Lodi. Painting during the Sultanate period, miniature means small painting were used to decorate books. Most of the Sultan got their portraits, means the picture, or we are saying that one is the passport picture or passport photo. The portrait made by the skilled painter, palace and temples were decorated with frescoes or with the watercolor. Then another one is music. Indian classical music influenced by the Persian and Arabic music, and new music found that music today known as the Hindustani classical music, which now we are saying the name of music Hindustani classical music, that is the gift or that gifted by the period of Sultanate. Amir Khusro, a famous poet and musician, contribute a lot in combining Persian music with the music of India. He introduced Qawwali, which is commonly used in film industry in maybe 17th or 18th century. Qawwali and Ghazal also a contributions of Sultanate period. Different music instruments were also introduced in this period. Means the instrument that use or are being used now also belongs to the Sultanate period, and the instruments are sitar, sarangi, tabla. It is in this period. So the rise of devotional music, Mirabai, Kabir Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nizamuddin, Auliya, etc. belongs to this period. Then another was the language and literature. Persian was the language of administrations and nobility, means Persian language used as the language of administrations. Arabic was the language that used by the traders, and traders used the Arabic language. Sanskrit was the language that used by the Hindus for higher learning. Hindus were using that time the language, and that language known as the Sanskrit. And now also people are accepting Sanskrit is the mother of all languages. Last one is the religion. Though many examples were there of against towards Hindu in this period, means the Sultanate period, Hindu religion was opposed by some rulers. Then also they recognized and harmony the developments of different languages. Sufism among Muslims and Bhakti among Hindus brought Hindu-Muslim religion together. Both Bhakti and Sufi saints were great religious teachers of that time. This is all about the chapter 5, Administration, Society and Culture under the Delhi Sultanate. Next we will meet in another video.